How to with ElectroPhix, 6 helpful tips, TLC for your handset. Sometimes we take our handsets for granted. We use them without even thinking. Here are a few tips that you can do to keep your handset going a little bit further. Number 1. Keep it clean and safe. Wipe your phone down to keep it clean. Put a screen protector on it. Make sure you have a good strong case that comes over the screen so if you drop it, your screen is protected. Number 2. Back up. Make sure that you back your device up regularly via cloud or a computer or laptop. Before performing a software update, make sure that you back your device up first. This is just in case something goes wrong, then you have a backup to restore from and you won't lose your valuable data. Number 3. Downtime. At least once a year, drain your battery to 0% and then fully charge it. This will keep your battery percentage more accurate. Check what apps you have running and close them if you're not using them. This will help with any lagging and will stop apps from draining your resources. Number 4. Delete, delete, delete. Regularly delete unwanted messages, pictures and videos. Delete or disable unwanted apps. This will help with the memory on your phone. Number 5. Reset. If your handset freezes, you may need to reset it. How to do this on an Apple and Samsung is coming right up. How to do this on an Apple device. For iPhone 6s or below, press and hold the home button and power button. For iPhone 7, press and hold the volume down button and power button. And for iPhone 8 and upwards, press volume up once, volume down once, and keep hold of the power button. How to on a Samsung device. If you have a Samsung S7 Edge or below or any Samsung phone with a home button, then press the power button, home button and volume button down for a couple of seconds. For Samsung Galaxy S8 and upwards, you need to hold the power and volume button down for roughly 7 seconds. Let go of the buttons once you feel the device vibrate and see the Samsung Galaxy logo on screen. Finally, tip number 6. Charging. Charge up your phone with care. Only charge your device when it goes under 20%. Don't constantly charge your device. Use the appropriate charger for your device. Try to always use an original charger or one of good quality. Avoid using your device while charging it. Only use a car charger when absolutely necessary. Check your charging port and clean it out. Watch our How to Clean Your Charging Port Out video on how to do this. And that's it, 6 helpful tips how to TLC your handset. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and all that goodness. And that's it for this week's episode of How to with ElectroPhix. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and just come visit us in store. Thank you for watching.